ta yedi sika taxpayers money. Every talk want to make a new pay. Malik, you can't do foco. Say 14 out of the 15 polling stations, no, they have been traditionally for NPP and Ukrepa. But this is what I want you to know, Ablekumah. You see, election we name say NPP, we need Ablekumah. That is the truth. Because we know NDC traditionally. If NDC, they were sure, say, they won in Ablekumah. Muni momo. You know them. They will have never ever agreed for a rerun. NDC for. Muni momo pa. Yeni momo. Say NDC. We need Ablekumah. Now you see Bekase. There be. Yen call for revote in our 19 police station. And come on, Pinita. They would have never agreed. Now, the fact said they have agreed, said they want to go for a rerun, and they say they know they lost in the first one. They know. It reminds you of the story in the Bible. Mukaya. There were two women. They had given birth around the same time. They went to sleep. One was so lazy that she slept on the child. The child died. She woke up early, went to exchange the children. And you know, when they went to King Solomon, the person who knew very well that I slept on my child and my child is dead said, oh, let's divide the baby into two. Let's divide it. Knowing very well, said, once we divide the baby into two, the baby is dead and gone. Now, but the king, in his wisdom, and name said, indeed, this is the rightful owner of the child. Ablekumah. I can assure you, say, we know, say, Julius Deborah Mu, NDC4, and the others, they are in your constituency, they are sharing 200, 500,000, 1,002. And in strategy, also, they are bringing t-shirts, NDC t-shirts. The mawa ubi man envelope no shame. But ask yourself, say, sa 200 ne, sa 500. Sa 1,000 to sa 1,000. Can you spend it throughout 4 years? Because this is the last time you see them. You won't see them again. And this is one more view. But do you know something? Here is the trick. When you vote for someone whose party is in opposition, when you vote for someone whose party is in opposition, that person has a point to prove. That person has to work twice as hard. And if you want a hard-working MP are hard-working. MP on himself. I cannot just sit down for 4 years and then when it's election year, I will go with Cube near Abelima. If you want a serious MP, then Yemami Free is the best person you should vote for. If you want an MP that is going to add to the numbers, then you should vote for the NDC candidate. But let me tell you what the danger. The only reason, I wish I could say it in Chi. Mami can watch him. Ablekumah. Let me tell you the danger in what we are going to do tomorrow. NDC omenya majority nevi. Na omo here Ablekumah seat no, so that they can change the constitution. NDC per se, omo sesan yen constitution ye was a sia wa mind wem. But omo ntimi sesan no, ebra Ablekumah seat ni enye omo die. Enuntina omo pre ye ni omo pa nyina ne se Ablekumah no eba be ye omo die. Number one, omo per se, omo sisa sa 2 terms president o mampeni bia betena so bia no sa 2 terms onya no omo per se omo sisa no 3 terms. Sa na omo pe omo per se omo sisa sa de no 3 terms. Na wa hwe jo mama betena so 6 months ni. Yes, see dollar aba from Dollar na aba form no uko bank nso unya dollar. Dollar na aba form no cement bo uko to a akosro. Dollar na aka aba form no iron rod bo ensisan ye. Dollar na aba form no spare part uko to a. He said abruso Jimmy so say abruso. Enti enye ade biara ntina ye papa ye Julius Zebra timi ba Ablekumah ene ame no kase so chicheska ye constitution se na eti bia no ye penesa constitution no se na eti bia no ye penusa enu ana kufo use ye Rollins enu ana use ye Akufo-Addo enu ana use ye Atamos enu ana so no use ye. Now, some to me who NDC Jimmy Bia or comment section honum. Or we will change it. Some way confirmation no. Who cause Robin who send a comment below or see to Ted loading. They are showing their agenda to you, even right here on social media. Omupe to Ted to change the constitution. Sana omupe no enti na omu pre Ablekumah Ghana for. Moi munim se and I say moi muye old enough and you have seen military rule. Speak to your children. This is a time to speak to your children. Gen Z for no, this is a time to speak to them. Because I can assure you, as for this one, more money media and can be a peaceful person. No. They can be a say, oh, voice there or a calm do. But one thing I can assure you, say, NPP, NPP mo. Ain't nasi Major Mahama 3 times in the empire. John Mahama no Franklin Roosevelt. Anka man penny be bet na so 3 times anka ye John Ajekun Kufuor. And Kufuor $1 1 cedi. Oko hospital say you are as a pregnant woman is free. Students were taking Metro Mass for free. Old people were entering Metro Mass for free. Health insurance. But Nukura no Kufuor anko 3 times. Na se Kufuor o man penny Kufuor anko 3 times a John Mahama. Empire. Enti Ablekumah for Ablekumah 19 police station akano. The peace of this country is on your shoulder. And yet just about political party mienu a muko. E about asumdwa e wo man we mu. Pamucho mami blocky sa guy we na me to aso na. Me platform we dem fa yourself for sir. Good. Asumdwa e wo man we mu no. That is what is in your hand. And I can tell you on authority, if you do this one for Ghana and you do it for MPP, lady, long time no see. If you do this for Ghana and you do it for MPP, MPP will never, ever forget Ablekumah. I can assure you of that. And when we tell you MPP will never forget you, you know what it means. If you vote for MPP tomorrow, Ablekumah, MPP, we will never ever forget Ablekumah. MPP will never forget Ablekumah. But Ablekumah for, if you go and make the mistake, now I'm going to my NDC, now I'm going to tell now I'm going to sign your constitution. Or mine, everybody because he ain't nase ma and Joma ma 3 times. He ain't nase. Anka Joma we serious aga. The same bia okasa obeye bia na. Anka by now give 40 me babe 50 manu Independence Square. 7 months ni Joma abeye o mampini no. Have you heard him talk about Article 71 S Gracia again? Our opposition waka kire mu say oba be cancel S Gracia. Waka wan sembium. Now we nyina na also be 3 times president. Empire. So the destiny of the country belongs to you. Now to Malik Basintale. She, there is a difference between a party in power and a party in opposition. That is why I understood when Akufo-Addo said, did everything possible for invisible forces to be dismantled. Because we a party, our power more, the whole international community, they are watching you. Any little thing you do, they will think, say, you are suppressing freedom of speech and expression. And most of the time, no party I buy mono, or muntimi hunya. Malik Basintale, let that enter into your head. Say MPP that you witnessed. I know say Malik the on sir. MPP that you Malik you knew from 2017 to 2029. Any MPP no. Hey, eba no confusion if you a paper. Eba no say gidigidia. Yes we share hopa. And the wa we ta yedi sika taxpayers money. Every talk want to make na ope. Echire. Malik, you can't do foku. And I'm very much sure that because I said by now you'll be a from President say because I said no. I am na Woody. Now if you think it's a joke, at 7 a.m. you go and misbehave in Ablekumah. Malik, go and misbehave. They have given you a position now, almost 6 months. You have not given a job to even one person. You have not given job to even one person, Malik. The Bia who announce vacancy or Facebook. Have you ever, you Malik, have you sat down even for one job interview and employ one person? Unko share with degree or legon. You claim you have a degree, master's degree. Unko share with legon. You NDC for they are behaving like Akukobia watching it too. A friend is saying you use a rope to tie the leg, and then for a long time now you remove the rope, the fowl still thinks they are still in the rope so they cannot move. Because you not sit down and think about how to move this country forward. Because Donald Trump say a US visa no a 3 months per a single entry. Business people are crying. Business for they are crying. They are crying. People who are in Ghana and their wives are in US, they are crying. Munjun as a CEO. But now I said we are kikra. Oh, they munjimi. They say the who blew army for every mujani. You see, the democracy we are practicing in Ghana here is benefiting everybody. Let no one deceive you. It's benefiting all of us. Lady said, I feel sad for students. Mommy says that NDC 4 there, they don't know they are in power. Nkrasi 4 abai. The democracy we are practicing is benefiting everybody. Obia baimba or filibi or enjoy. And this a mo pese emboy nyina. And the munko Jimmy Ablekumah. The 5K men are telling the 5K appointees to go and do the job at Ablekumah. Yes, I've seen it. Some person democracy nembo yenina. And the munko Jimmy Ablekumah. But I know Ghanaians and I trust so much in Ghanaians. I know Ghanaians have witnessed all the things going on in our parliament over the past period. And Ghanaians will not stoop, they will not make the mistake of giving Ablekumah to NDC. Mutimi kosabi obaye or see akwetia loading. Obieu. We are all sad. You are just thinking about power. By election, you're just thinking about that.